Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. Mother's Day to all aunties around, and thank you everybody for all of our aunties for coming. Some of our aunties for coming to this party, and Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to all the moms. Happy birthday, Nana, and Happy Mother's Day to all aunties that came to the lunch, and to my aunties, and yeah.
Happy Mother's Day, Mum. Thank you for everything that you do. Appreciate you a lot. Thank you. May the good Lord above bless each and every one of you to have a good life.
Happy birthday.
And us so we'll have many more gatherings. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Happy Mother's Day, ladies. This is a special treat made from Niue coconuts for new, and it's called nane. Come, have a look. There you go. And the nane is made up of the coconut water and the youngish kind of meat from the coconut. And so, how we make it is we boil up the coconut water, we add the meat, scraped meat, and then after that we add in something called pia, which is arrowroot in English. So, once that's all mixed up, we leave it to settle for a little while, and then it blends up to become this. So, do we want to try?
That was like
You want to taste?
we would, yeah, but we went all the little ones. Yeah.
Okay, Jackson's gonna try first. Yay, Jackson! You're gonna try first. Okay. So, do you remember this? You eat it in the coconut shells.
Yeah.
We eating or we're starting with the
What do you
doing? It's nearly 1 o'clock now.
Just it.
We're eating now. Just come.
I just woke up.
Yeah.
This is my special sushi knife.
I just woke up.
You can tell, it's like butter.
I'm so tired. I wish I could get to my dad's gym. Why? Well, I can use some more. Did you know?
Go.
I'm just gonna... I know how to use chopsticks now. Yay!
Actually, once you first get to the...
This is like number, and that's the takihi.
That's not how you use chopsticks.
Yeah, takihi. And that's the chop suey. Thank you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mama. Happy birthday to you. Hooray!
Hip hip! Hooray!
Okay, now this way. Come on. like it. I haven't.
Check the price. I ordered that especially for you.
Fia, fia, mama, fola,